Okay, so I've decided to do a bit of a recycle, refashion from this lace skirt, which is basically like an A-line sort of style lace skirt. Never wear it. I have got two. Cut it up and create a wrap dress, well, not a wrap dress, a wrap top out of it. So I will show you as we go along. Okay, so there is the waistband. That is the waistline. These are the side seams, and I cut that open. Now I'm going to take the grey one and do the exactly same. I'm going to cut off the waistband and then cut the sides of the skirt, and I'm going to use one of these Simplicity McCall patterns from Mimi G. I'm going to make that wrap top. I'm going to contrast it. The one side I'm going to make grey and the one side I'm going to make white. The reason why I'm going to do that is I just feel that I don't want to have a grey one in my wardrobe and a white one. I'm going to combine the two because the white and grey goes with most of the colours that I make. And instead of me having so much extra clothes in my wardrobe, I'd rather just do a colour blocking that I know will complement the colours that I do wear. And at the same time, I'm actually going to the leftover lace panel, maybe just make a little top that I can wear cami underneath. I've laid the skirt open and I cut off the waistband, and I've cut open the sides on both of the sides of the skirt. And here you can see here's the other part of the skirt. Okay, so now I've pinned the back, the front, and the sleeve to the white lace and to the grey lace which is underneath. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. I'm not going to cut my straps as long as what the pattern suggests. I'm actually going to make it a little bit narrow, because I know I've made this a few times before. I don't like the strap to be so wide. Okay, so and I'm just going to cut out a size 10 because I made this pattern before, and this will be a two-way stretch in this lace. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut and make sure that where the center back of the top was on the fold, I'm now going to cut a center back seam. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut this out.